Guys, breaking news. Google just got sued and now is ordered to pay everyone $1,210. Guys, they just got sued by billions of dollars. Today, I'm going to break this down. I've been seeing this circulating the internet for a while now, so I wanted to do my own research so I can give you guys the clarity whether this is true or not. All right, everybody getting $1,210. Now, some claims say yes, some claims say no. So I'm going to break this down further. And today, guys, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can apply to get your $1,210. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience in your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to break down this Google lawsuit to a T. But before we get to the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the video. Guys, it allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the video. I'll give you 5 seconds. I don't have a watch, y'all, but anyway, guys, I'm super excited about this video. But before we get to the video, I want you guys to jump to the comment section. If you're new here, you already know. Go to the comment section if you need any credit repair. If your score starts with a 4 or 5 or a 6, you're gonna need my assistance. Guys, if you need any help when it comes to removing your collections, charge-off, late payments, anything that's on your credit report that's negative, comment credit repair in the comment section, guys, and me and my team will give you a custom blueprint for you to be able to resolve each and every one of your disputes. Guys, go to the comment section and comment credit or credit repair right now. Guys, if you're interested in learning about credit repair, business funding, guys, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can repair your credit, your father's credit, your dog credit, whoever credit you want to repair. I'm going to also teach you how you can get up to $250,000 in business funding. And I'm also going to show you how to get home loans, business loans, car loans, any loan that you want in terms of credit. Guys, I've been in the industry for over 10 years and I have built a multi-million-dollar business in this industry. And for the first time, I'm going to put it all on the line. I'm going to show you exactly how to be successful in terms of credit from point A to point Z. So guys, if you're interested in learning anything about credit or becoming a credit specialist, check out the new school inside the link in the description and I will see you in class. All right, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. I'm super excited about this video because Google getting sued and I know people need this money. So I wanted to dive straight in. So what are the types of lawsuit? What this type of lawsuit actually is. Most of these are class action lawsuits against Google over things like data collection, private disclosures, consumer protection violations. Instead of going to trial, Google often agrees to settle billions or millions of dollars, which gets a split among users. Now, I've seen a lot of people say that this is a no proof lawsuit, right? Basically mean that you don't have to have proof or show proof that you are a victim of this lawsuit. But I don't know, guys. I don't know how true these claims are. Okay, now from what I've seen, you know, people can get up to $1,210. Now, I do know that is a distinguishable difference between people that were affected a little bit more harshly than the others. I don't know what those distinguishable marks looks like because the details didn't give me any of that. It didn't tell me like if your data was shared this many times or if this amount of data was shared. I don't know, but I am going to show you how you can apply so you can look into it your own. But I think it's definitely worth it. I feel like Google houses billions of people information, and I feel like this is an opportunity where if you are a victim, you can get your due diligence and get some type of money, So where does the $1,210 come from? The number is likely an estimated payout per claimant in a specific scenario, or a maximum payout payment depending on how many clients filed claims, how the settlement funds gets divided. So I don't know if this is going to first come, first serve basis. I do know that there is a time window for you to apply. So if you do not apply within this time window, you're not going to get get money. The money that Google was supposed to pay the consumers, if they do not apply for it, it's going to go straight to your state. So that's just going to be money wasted. So I would apply for it as soon as possible, just to, you know, make sure that you are not missing a window for you to actually get your bag. Okay, in most cases, actions payouts vary a lot. Some people get small amounts, $5 to $50. A smaller group with stronger claims or documentation can get hundreds or more. So I just really went to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT a few questions about it, and this is what they spit out. I don't know. I don't think ChatGPT know either how much the per person is going to give. I feel like the information on this case is not as transparent as you would want it. So the details are a little vague, to be honest with you. But I think that is a lot of opportunity for anybody that, you know, need a few extra $100 and actually use the Google services. I think it's definitely worth checking out because it's free money. Okay, so 1,200 isn't guaranteed for everyone. It's more like a top end figure people are talking about online. Now, where's they getting this figure from? You know, that's a very specific amount. So I don't know if I think ChatGPT be spitting out some bullshit sometimes. So like, you have to be careful with what you take from ChatGPT, especially if they don't have sources behind it. But I think that is some type of legitimacy when it comes to that amount, because I've been seeing it a lot. And usually when you see specific amounts, it's usually tied to something. So I think that is definitely worth people to check out, because if you miss a stimulus check or if you miss the COVID run, I think that, you know, this is an opportunity for you to get some of that money back that you missed out on with this run. So just make sure that you don't drag your feet on this. Apply for as fast as possible so you can get your opportunity at it. Okay, how to apply step by step. This is the part your audience actually cares about. Okay, find the official settlement website. So every legit case has one, ends in things like .com or org. Okay, Google settlement claim offer or exact case name. Avoid random links from TikTok comments. Okay, check if you qualify. Typical requirements: live in the US, use a Google product, search Chrome, Android, do it a specific time period. I'm almost sure that a very large percentage of the population, especially in America, will qualify for this. Okay, fill out the claim form. You usually need a name, email, maybe proof, a checkbox confirming you qualify. Takes 2 minutes. Submit before the deadline. Deadlines are strict. Miss it equals no money. Okay, wait for the payout. It can take a month, can take months or over a year. Payment methods: PayPal, Venmo, direct deposit, check. This is very interesting. I think that, you know, this is an opportunity for, if you need some extra dollars, go for it. You know what I mean? Like, you know, apply. It's not gonna hurt. You know, that $1,210 is something to that, in my opinion. I don't know. You know, I don't think ChatGPT know, because, you know, they was really just guessing on how cases like this actually, you know, how they move. But for the most part, they don't know what they're talking about. $1,210 is a very specific number. You need to pay attention to the specifics. So just check it out. Go on Google and check the Google settlement claim form. Fill a claim form out. It should be, you know, 1 or 2 pages. Put your basic information in. They're gonna let you know if you qualify, and then you just, you know, sit back and wait and see if you get a $1,210. Guys, if you found the information helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Like I said, it helps us reach a larger audience, and it helps us actually to stay open. If you need any credit repair, type credit repair in the comment section. If you need business funding, if you're an entrepreneur, you can't get business funding, you're looking to grow a project, scale your business to a new degree, whatever it is you want to throw the funding for, guys, type funding in the comment section, and I will jump on the line with you and see if I can help your business actually get the funding that it deserves. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit, take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.